मेरी ओर से इस अच्छे उपक्रम को तहे दिल से शुभकामना। सही तो लोग अच्छे लोगों को बैठे हुए दौड़ाने का काम करते हैं, मगर यहां पे अच्छे काम के लिए दौड़ाने का काम होता है। और वैसे तो मेरा संबंध इस मैराथन से इसलिए है कि 14 वर्ष से आप हमारे वन विभाग का ऑक्सीजन ये ज्यादा उपयोग में लाते हैं जब दौड़ाते हो, क्योंकि मेरे पास फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट भी है फाइनेंस के साथ में। मेरी शुभकामना इसलिए है कि हेल्थ इज वेल्थ कहते हैं। कोई भी देश का पर कैपिटा इनकम मायने नहीं रखता, उस देश का पर कैपिटा सेटिस्फैक्शन कितना है ये ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण होता है। और ऐसे सभी उपक्रमों की वजह से मुझे लगता है कि सिर्फ खुशियां और खुशियां ही मिलती है। स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड बैंक के इस उपक्रम को मेरी ओर से शुभकामना देते हुए एक वन मंत्री के नाते मेरी ये अपेक्षा रहेगी कि अगली मैराथन ये ग्रीन मैराथन हो, जिसमें हम फॉरेस्ट के विभाग के माध्यम से आपके साथ जुड़ेंगे। जो लोग इसमें काम करते हैं, जो लोग इस स्पर्धा में भाग लेते हैं, जिनको ये पुरस्कार मिला है, उन सभी को तहे दिल से शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. I think that gives us a whole new perspective on both the marathon and on life, looking at the environment and looking at finances. We talk about greenery on the one side and greenbacks on the other, and the two go hand in hand apparently. Thank you, sir. To join him on stage, I'd like to invite the Vice President, Marketing, E-Commerce and Innovations from the high-flying Jet Airways, Mr. Belson Coutinho, and the Vice President, Human Resources from Tata Consultancy Services, Mr. Ranjan Bandyopadhyay, to join us on stage, please.
You know, this edition we had 151 companies who participated in support of a cause, totally raising rupees 13.62 crores, and this benefited 100 NGOs.
Yes, I think it's time to go straight and recognize some of these chosen names. And I believe, Mr. Coutinho, you have an envelope that contains some important information, not a ticket on Jet Airways, or maybe that too.
Never know.
Could you please announce the third highest fundraising company at the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon 2017?
Good evening, everyone. Third highest fundraising corporate, Godrej & Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited.
Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen, the company with a legacy of doing such good for society, Godrej & Boyce, having participated in this edition for 10 consecutive years. They have been a consistently high fundraiser year after year, with a total of 1,11,22,118 in the support of Republican Sports Club, Vasanta Memorial Trust and the War Wounded Foundation.
There we have the entire team of Godrej, the third highest fundraising company at SEMM 2017. Could we please have someone from your team say a few words? Could we please have someone from your team say a few words?
I think for Godrej, this have been our 10th year. Continuously, we've been supporting SEMM, and every year we have had more and more of our employees coming forward and participating. It has been always a very thrilling experience internally for people to participate and contribute, not just by running, but even you know, in terms of whatever little we can do to make the world a better place. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much.
Many
I just feel so happy
again.
seeing so many Parsis on stage. Can we give Godrej a big round of applause, please? Huh? So many Parsis on stage.
That's the biggest smile we've seen from you all evening, Perizad. Right, let's get on with the next. And we'd like this time, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, would you do the honors with the first runner-up, the second highest fundraising company at the SEMM 2017?
Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited.
Another regular participating company at SEMM. Kotak chooses a multiple of causes to support and fundraise each year. Kotak Mahindra Bank has raised a total of 1 crore 30 lakhs 42,729 in support of the Cancer Aid and Research Foundation, Children's Movement for Civic Awareness, Cancer Patients Aid Association, CRY, Forum for Autism, HelpAge India, Kotak Education Foundation, Nanhi Kali, Make-A-Wish Foundation of India, Society of Parents of Children with Autistic Disorders, SOPAN, the Foundation for Mother and Child Health, FMCH, and the Society for Nutrition, Education and Health Action, SNEHA. May I please request someone from the team to say a few words?
Thank you very much for the honor. It's been also our 10th year, and what makes it really happy is just not the contribution of a few individuals, but we actually have a movement within the company. We take this seriously. About 2 months before, we call all the participants, and we sort of ensure that we send out mails and ask people to support the 4 or 5 NGOs that we've shortlisted, and people really rise to the occasion. Thank you very much. It's great to see this kind of work in numbers, and we look forward to continuing it.
Thank you, and we look forward to your continued support. Thank you so much.
And I think the Honourable Minister has the name for the highest fundraiser, sir.
Credit Sushi Securities India Private Limited.
Woo! The highest fundraising company at the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon 2017 is Credit Suisse. So we have Mr. Mihir Doshi and his entire team come on stage, please. Come on, Mickey.
Yes, indeed. They've been setting a new
benchmark for all companies at the event. Credit Suisse Securities has raised a whopping amount of 1 crore 41 lakhs 15,555 in support of Jai Vakil Foundation and Research Center, Save the Children India and United Way Mumbai. Can we give them a huge round of applause? There we are, ladies and gentlemen. The highest fundraising company at the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon 2017. Mr. Mihir Doshi, could we please have you say a few words?
It should have been Mihir who should have been speaking. By the way, it's been an honor. It's been a great experience, participating in this fundraising event every year. And we've been seeing even our employees participating, the numbers going up every year and the contributions going up every year. And thank you for all the opportunity that we got to raise. I'm feeling a bit nervous. I don't know why. But thank you so much. It's been a great experience through this journey. And I hope it keeps on getting better and better from here. Thanks.
Congratulations, and thank you very, very, very much. Thank you. Do you want to say a few words? Huh? Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you to our 3 presenters. I think, Perizad, you know Mr. Doshi well enough to know that he'll never take credit despite having done so much and despite having credit in the name of
very, very dear friend. Okay, so whoever said that age is just a number was absolutely right, because the proof lies in the fact that there were 136 individuals below the age of 21 who participated this year, and they raised a whopping 1 crore 97 lakhs 16,755 rupees for all the various causes they supported. That's a huge amount. Yes, I'm speaking about the young leader category. And we were here to acknowledge all those individuals below the age of 21 who raised 50,000 and more. Call it willpower, call it pester power. This achievement by their young leaders really shows that all you need is a big heart when it comes to giving.
Yes, indeed. When I first heard you say it, when I first actually read through the numbers that we were given, I had to go through it several times. Did you say under 21? Yes. And I looked at it again, and the only small number in that was the age. Everything else was absolutely whopping. And to do the honors, it is my pleasure to invite on stage actor, model, host, and of course, philanthropist, the lovely Tara Sharma.
Could we please welcome her on stage with a huge round of applause? Tara always has been such a huge supporter of the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon.
Thank you for having me. I'm not sure if this is my cue to say thank you, but thank you very much for having me. I'm always very honored to be part of anything to do with the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. I've been running every year since it started. And this year, I don't know if any of you will recognize, but we were also on some of the hoardings, me and Gul. But most people didn't know it was me. But I have to say a huge congratulations to everyone who's raised money, because it's really hard to raise money. Honestly, every year I found it easier to run than to raise money. So I think it's a huge achievement, and I think all the NGOs are doing such fantastic work. And the whole campaign of One Step Closer, which I think Standard Chartered was running for the marathon, it just makes me realize that every year it's one step closer to helping bring about positive change. So I think you're all doing a fantastic job. Thank you, and congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, Tara. Thank you so very, very much for those encouraging words. And may I please request you to announce who is the highest fundraising young leader?
So, is there a drum roll? Ta-na-na-na-na. The highest fundraiser in the young leaders category is...
Can we build a suspense? Will we have some music, please, to add to the drama?
Adhiraj Jori, who's raised...
Yes, Adhiraj is an 11th standard student from the Calcutta International School, followed in the footsteps of his mother Anisha Jori, who has run the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon in support of the cause of adoption, and he has raised that whopping figure of 25,25,617 for the Family Service Centre.